Hello guys, welcome to my Advent Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to troubleshoot Microsoft Defender and Windows security issues on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Windows security or Windows Defender not working or not opening, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to click on Start menu, then type here Programs. Click on Add or Remove Programs. In this, you need to find or you need to type Windows. You can see here Windows Security. Just click on this three dot and click on Advanced option. Here in this you can see let this app run in background. You have to make sure that it is selected as power optimized or it is selected as always. After selecting this, scroll down a little bit. You can see here under reset you will find one repair option. Just click on repair. After repairing, if still it doesn't work, just try to reset it. This will permanently delete the app data on this device, including your preference and sign-in details. After reading this, click on reset. After resetting, check whether the problem is fixed or not. Before checking, you have to make sure that you have restarted your PC. After that, check whether it is fixed or not. Still you are facing the issue, then try the second method. Then type here CMD. Just right click on that and click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Here you have to type SFC space / scan now and hit enter. Guys, it will take some time. After completion of this, you need to type second command. You need to type CMD. Right click and click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes to allow. Here you need to type second command DISM space / online space / cleanup hyphen image space / restore health and hit enter. Guys, it will take some time. After completion of this, once you have to restart your laptop or desktop. After restarting, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can troubleshoot Microsoft Defender or Windows security issues on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.